Welcome to Suntech Computer and Application Settings. Today, I will teach you how to bookmark your website. And what is bookmark? Bookmark is when you visit a website and you want to save that particular website. So when next you need it, you will go back to where you save it and click on it to have it. You wouldn't go back to search engine to begin to search for it again. So I will teach you how to bookmark a website that you visit. It will be easier for you to just set the website when next you need it. So you can see this browser. This is Chrome browser, and I'm on Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to save this website, you're going to come to search box here. You look at the right side, you can see the star. You click on the star. You see the name, you name it whatever you want it. You may name it anything related to why you searched it or the website name. And this is a bookmark bar. Bookmark bar is when you want to save it along here. This place is where you have bookmark bar of the website that you visited. Look at these websites are the ones I visited, then I have to bookmark them. So if you want to save it here, you click done. It's going to save it at the same place. So if you want to choose a different folder, you click on this arrow here. You choose another folder. You can create a new folder and name it whatever you want it and click save. You're going to save it there. In this case, you can see the star has turned to blue, means this particular website has been saved, bookmarked already. So if you click on this arrow here, you can see it here. If you click on it now, maybe for example, you are in a new tab, you come to this place, you click on the website, it's going to open the website again. Okay, so this is how you bookmark the website on Chrome browser. If you come to Firefox, the same procedure. You can see the search bar here. You can see the star. The star has turned to red because this particular page is already bookmarked. If it's not bookmarked, if you want to remove it from bookmark, remove it. You can see the color has changed. So you want to bookmark it again, you can click the same procedure that you took on the Chrome browser is what you're going to take here again. So you have to write the name of which you want to remember the website with. And you're going to click save. If you want to save it in a different folder, you click new folder and name it whatever you want and click save. So this is how you bookmark it on Firefox browser. If you want the bookmark to appear here, because here you can see there's no bookmark bar, you can click this arrow down, bookmark, you click on bookmark, hide bookmark bar. Bookmark toolbar is hidden already because it's been there, right? So if you click again, bookmark, show bookmark, so it's here. Now you can see the Microsoft Outlook that you saved is already here. If you visit another website here, okay, let's say Amazon. Okay, Amazon, let's click on this. You want to bookmark Amazon, all you have to do is click on this star here. You click save because you want to save it at our toolbar. You can see it appears here. So this is how you bookmark your website, and the same procedure goes to Microsoft Edge. You click on it, it's up. When you see this star here, it's turned to blue. That means this particular page is already bookmarked. If you want to remove, you remove it and bookmark it again. Done. The same procedure. You name it whatever you want, and the favorite, in this case, Microsoft is favorite bar. Favorite bar is these tabs here. These are websites that have been bookmarked. So if you want to save it at the same location, you leave it as it is and click down. If you want to change, you come down to choose another folder. It's going to appear. You click here and name the folder whatever you want and click save. So this is how you bookmark the website that you visit. You can bookmark as many websites that you want. So when next you need it, you don't need to go to search engine to search for the same website again, but you have to go to where you save it and click. These are bookmarked websites. So when next I want any of this particular website, I click on it and it's going to open. So this is how you bookmark your website on any browser. The same goes to Opera, or Safari. Please, if this particular tutorial is of very great value to you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so I'll be able to bring more of this in the near future. Thank you and have a good day.